Welcome to Source and Methods TV. This method earning potential is endless and can work anywhere on the world. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Now let's get into the source. How to make easy money as a Fiverr affiliate in 2024. A step-by-step guide introduction to make money online might seem complicated, but it's actually super simple, especially when you become a Fiverr affiliate. This step-by-step guide will show you how easy it is, so simple that even a kid can do it. Let's get started and watch the money roll in. Step 1. Sign up for Fiverr's affiliate program. Step 1. Go to the Fiverr affiliates page. Step 2. Click on the big Join Now button. Step 3. Fill out the form with your name, email, and a password. Then click Next. Step 4. Complete your profile with your address and how you plan to promote Fiverr. Finally, click Submit. Why? It's easy. This process is just like signing up for any other website. You're just a few clicks away from starting your journey. Step 2. Get your affiliate link. Step 1. Log into your affiliate account using your email and password. Step 2. Go to the Marketing Tools section in your affiliate dashboard. Step 3. Find links for services you want to promote. Popular options include logo design, video editing, or social media management. Step 4. Copy your unique affiliate link. This is the link you'll share with others. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn money. Why? It's easy. If you can copy and paste, you can get your affiliate links. It's as simple as that. Step 3. Share your affiliate link. Step 1. Post on social media. Share your links on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Tell your friends and followers why Fiverr is awesome. Step 2. Create a blog or YouTube channel. If you enjoy writing or making videos, start a blog or YouTube channel. Share tips and tricks related to the services Fiverr offers and include your affiliate links. Step 3. Tell friends and family. Simply inform people you know about Fiverr and share your links. Why? It's easy. You're already sharing things you love with friends and family. Now, you can do the same with Fiverr and get paid for it. Step 4. Earn money. Track your earnings. Log into your Fiverr affiliate account to see how much money you've made. Withdraw your earnings. Once you've earned enough, you can withdraw the money to your bank account or PayPal. Potential earnings. Some top affiliates make thousands of dollars per month. Even as a beginner, you can make a nice extra income. Why? It's easy. The more you share, the more you earn. It's that simple. You can start seeing money come in with just a few referrals. Yes, this is affiliate marketing the easy way, and you can check the description to join Fiverr affiliates right now to make this easy money. This was another informative, helpful video from Source and Methods TV. Like and I'll reply to your comment. Subscribe and stay tuned in for more Source.